This is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor when I was there. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I wrote a best-selling book on Amazon, Exposing Secrets about IRS settlements. I'm not selling the thing. I know what I'm doing. It's important you listen to me. It's not that others don't tell you the truth. They don't know what the whole truth is. I've been doing this work for 53 years. I was a decorated former IRS agent for 10, worked in a narcotic trafficking program, and I want to tell you about the IRS CNC, or currently non-collectible program, or hardship program. Marie, you want to say hi to everybody? No, she doesn't want to say. She's saying hi. Let me tell you, so back in the day when I worked there, that program was on a Form 53, and it was really funny because when you're working cases, we'd go by some of the people, and they're writing everything was by pen then. And I said, is that another 53? It's like, it's that another hardship. I'm imagining of the 25 million cases they have right now, especially the people who haven't filed and paid, their case is really in currently non-collectible or hardship. So what does that mean? Let me explain to you and let me tell you everything you need to know, the ultimate source for currently non-collectible. IRS right now can go on their computer system because of the massive inventory that they have, and through AI they can determine what cases are currently non-collectible, CNC. They gather this data from all sources, and they go ahead and move you by their own into currently non-collectible. Those cases usually are going to come back to the field. Why and how they come back to the field? IRS gets data through AI, and they look at your new tax returns, and if you don't file, they may put that case back into the field when inventories drop, and revenue officers can go out and so-called knock on the door to find out what's going on. You don't want to happen. Other cases, IRS just, if you're currently non-collectible and you're filing, IRS, usually you don't know this, but internally the person who works for IRS puts in an AGI that will go ahead and spark, let's say your case. Let me give you a good example. So right now I'm looking at your case, and right now you're living on $4,000 a month, and I'm looking at the income and expenses, and I'm saying, if they make $60,000, this case should be looked at for a payment agreement. So I close it with a closing code of 60. That means when the IRS computer system reaches 60 on their score, that means that case is supposed to come back out to the field. So if your case is being worked by an IRS agent, that case goes back out, and IRS predicts when they want to work the case. So you never know when IRS is going to bring a currently non-collectible case out. I'm just telling you right now, if your AGI goes up, your case is going to come back out. It may sit there, on the other hand, until the statute blows. Hooray, hooray. It may sit there long enough that you want to file an offer in compromise. The AI is set up. Right now it's going through so many changes, the predictability of CNC is really not found. You can't really say what the computer algorithm is going to do, because right now IRS is jamming everything into their system, and they're going to come up with standards very soon as to what they're going to do with this inventory. They may start sending out letters to everybody. The problem is they have to have the staff to work the cases. At the end of the day, what drives the case sitting in your currently non-collectible? It's your either not filing or your AGI. Those two things will kick your case back out to the field. So if you have an influx of income going this way, your case will probably come back out to the field because you're making more money to make a payment agreement. If you haven't filed, IRS is thinking you haven't filed because you're trying to play tricks with IRS and keep the case and currently non-collectible, and that's not going to happen. So I just want you to know the AI, the algorithms are going to set currently non-collectible. Make sure you file every year. Don't run the risk of the AI kicking your case out because you haven't filed. And if you make more money and it's as it should be reported to IRS and your AGI goes up, you can be rest assured that case is coming back out to the field. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I can kind of predict when cases are coming out, but remember that algorithm is starting to change absolutely everything. So anyway, if you need any help with your case, let me know. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. Best of luck. This is as much as you're going to get from anyone. If anyone is saying any more than this, they don't know what they're talking about. Blessings and have a great day.